Welcome, in front of me is a Samsung Galaxy J5, and today I will show you how to remove the battery. So we can start off by actually turning off the device. Let's power it off, and then while it's turning off, we can flip the device over, and on the left side you'll have this little cutout, I guess, where you can fit your fingernail and just kind of start pulling off the cover. So if you're having trouble, just kind of try to wedge your fingernail around it, like so, and just pull it off. As you can see, just come off, and then you have the battery, which you can just pry up, and it will, as you can see, fall out. So that's basically how you take it out, and if you want to put it back in, just make sure that, as you can see, there are little plus and minus signs that there go where the pins right here are, and I think you can't actually put it other way around, so I'm actually gonna try. So yeah, it will not fit because of the cutouts right here, so you can only fit one way, like so. And basically that's how you put it in. Just align it on the top first and then push it on the bottom, and I can put on the cover back. Like so, and the device is ready to be used again. So that is basically how you take out the battery, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.